Feeling ko naman kasi di ba, usually, pag MMF, di ba, yung mga Shake Rattle Roll, yung mga usual film na, ito naman something different. Mas lighter, mas ano siya, mas masaya. At, ayun, masaya panoorin. And thank you sa inyo. Para lang may offer kami na something different. Para naman sa mga tao. Fresh, bagong love team. Parang bagets. Bagong love team. Bagong, syempre, si Direk. Bagong production. Diba, lahat kami, halos lahat bagong magkakatrabaho. So, masaya to.
Probably gender.
Pero virgin yung nilagay sa dapat gender.
Yes.
Yeah.
Meron ba?
Yes. So, to add something lang, bakit ano yung offer namin doon sa film. Meron kaming malupit na scriptwriters, I am proud to say that. Meron kaming malupit na director, meron kaming malupit na producer, meron kaming malupit na mga actors sa loob, kasi generate sila, kahit sila. And yung kung ano yung nakita niyo sa trailer, kung natuwa kayo sa trailer, imagine nyo na lang na hahaba yun, na mag-i-engage kayo kung ano talaga nangyari in between ng mga eksena doon sa trailer. So, I think that sells it. Yung trailer, yun na yun.
Yes. Let me say something because may mga nagko-comment kasi that the trailer says everything, the entire story. Interestingly enough, we did the trailer after less than a half pa ng shoot ng buong pelikula. So how could it contain everything? Kaya impossible po yun. Napakaraming bagay. Like you don't even know the character of Jen yet completely. Hindi mo pa nakikita kanya mga estudyante, hindi mo pa nakikita mga boylets ni Kai. And many, many, many more. So,
I'm sure nakikita sila sa atin. Story. So, may question pa kayo? Because yes, para before hanggang pupunta pa sa iyo pang point.
For the two of you, you've been into relationships before. So, in English, what love advice can you give to each other from the ones that you've learned and based on what you gathered from the movie?
Nakakapangina naman. Bakit nanlubo eh? Ikaw mo na din.
Ito naman nga ladies first.
Nag-iisip ako.
advisean ko na lang kayo.
Si Kai na lang muna.
Follow your heart. Advisean na lang.
So baby.
Follow your heart.
Advice to her? Based on what you've learned from your...
Not necessarily.
Don't close your doors. Whatever it is that you've gone through, you should take the positive out of that and learn from those things that you've experienced, which only makes it more exciting for the next person that you're going to be with, because you're not going to make the same mistakes. But yung pain na pinagdaanan mo, you should learn to put that away, because it might blind you from finding the right person.
Jen, English only.
Wala na natalo. Natalo na naman ako.
Ganun na.
Ako talo.
Sige, Jen. Tagalog naman.
Siguro,
English only, please. With the accent, please.
mas mahirap.
Yes?
Siguro,
I really need advice.
kasi ako, sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko, ang dami kong natutunan. So, yung mga natutunan ko na yun, yun yung mga bagay na i-apply mo sa susunod. And yung susunod na yun, para sa akin, ayoko siyang antayin. Kasi si God, lagi lang siyang nandyan. I-guide ka niya kung sino yung tamang tao para sa'yo. And, yun, ayoko